Welcome to another episode of English with Alice, and today we're going to have a quick grammar tip. Who or whom? People seem to be terrified of whom, and for good reason. Most of us never learned how to use whom because, and this is a secret, our teachers didn't understand it either. Fret no more. You may now use whom with confidence. Let's have a look at some incorrect ones quickly. Whom does this belong to? Ask not for who the bell tolls. Let me know whom said that. I can't remember whom it was. Let's look at some correct ways. The heart of the matter is whether the word is the subject or the object of the sentence. When you're working with the subject, use who. Who said it? She said it. As the subject of the sentence, you could also use her name instead of who. Hana said it. If the word in question is the object of the sentence, use whom. This belongs to whom? It belongs to him. Here's a little tip for you. Wondering if you've used the correct word? If you can replace the word with he or she, the proper choice is who. If the replacement can be her or him, whom is the correct usage. And that is our quick little tip on who or whom. Until next time, goodbye.